a very special guest star to help us switch the lights on.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce a wonderful person you're going to see, well not a person, you're going to see in our panto. Please give a round of applause for Churchill!
It's Churchill, ladies and gentlemen! Oh, Churchill! Look at this! Right, there you go. Right, what we're going to do, as we usually do, me and Chipotle are going to count it down from 10. So I think it's going to...
I think we should ask a question, Churchill, from you. Churchill, is it time to switch on the Lucky Man? How much is the one? Is it time to switch on the news and the light?
Churchill, can I really say we're all right down in shorts? Right. Me and Chipotle and Churchill are going to count it down from 10, right through to 1. Chipotle is going to wave a magic wand, and the sorceress of Preston will switch on you. That's our Christmas lights. Are you ready, Chipotle? 10, 9,